put it on. Hold on. What? Wait. Cause where's the front of the wig? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know, okay? I should really never be this comfortable. Recently, about 2 or so weeks ago, I got my first ever frontal install, baby. My first ever frontal install. It was so slayed and laid. Yes, my first ever frontal. I love the way it came out. The baby hairs, everything. It was really good, but it didn't, for me, last that long. So I decided to see if I can put on the wig myself. I'm a beginner. I'm so bad at hair, guys. So this is going to be a challenge for us, but we are gonna do it together. This is the wig that I just, you guys saw it. You guys saw it. This is the same exact wig from West Kiss. This is how it looks because this is literally the last state that I left it in. I realized that these frontal and nets are really easy to tear. So, uh-oh. So as you can see, there's still glue, foundation, all of that on the frontal. So maybe we should start off by washing this wig just so that it's very fresh. Just so that it's fresh. So let's go ahead and get started with this.
You're my bestest friend, yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you.
Okay guys, so it is the next day and I still look like this, but it's okay because we're about to fix that. I hope. This is how it dried. This is actually a body wave wig, so it's good that it dried in curls. That means that it's still working. So first I'm gonna just oil down my scalp with some Wild Growth hair oil. I have yet to put anything in my own hair except for like the gel my mom used to braid it down. So we're gonna oil our scalps because that stimulates growth. So let's just do that. I'm gonna start from this side. Okay. This feels amazing, especially because I have very dry hair and a dry scalp. So adding this oil right now is probably the only step that I know I'm doing correctly. I'm just gonna put some in the back, put some on my fingertips, and I'm just gonna massage it in. So now that my scalp is oiled, I'm just gonna go ahead and put on a wig cap. I got this in the color beige because that's the only one that I saw. So now that the wig cap is on, for the next step, I'm gonna be using a hair blow dryer. And before we go ahead and use this, I'm going to spray some Got To Be Glued hair freeze blasting spray all over my head like the girls be doing. Am I supposed to put it over my ear? Guys, when I tell you I don't know what I'm doing, so I'm gonna do that to kind of work it in. So let's start air blow drying. So just to be super sure that this wig cap is laying down, I'm just going to go ahead and spray it one more time. So I'm just gonna spray it again, like the same places I sprayed it before. Spray it a little bit back here. I'm gonna go ahead and use like an eyebrow razor to cut the excess thing. A few videos I watch, people like make a hole for the ear. Uh-oh. I think using this is making it a lot easier just because it's really small and I can really control. That looks a little bad. Okay, this looks familiar. I've seen something like this before. I have. Okay, so on to the next step. I am going to use a foundation that is close to mine and use it on the wig cap. Guys, we're kind of doing something. We are on to gluing the wig down. Yes. So first, let me show you the glue I'm using. I am not using Ghost Bond. I tried to use Ghost Bond. I'm just going to use these two. It cannot be stopped. It cannot be that bad because people used to use this before Ghost Bond and all those things, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and use this just because it's easier for me to work with. Ghost Bond is white and then it dries clear, and then, but if you don't dry it, it comes out white, and we're not trying to look like that right now. So I'm gonna go ahead with my Got To Be duo and use this as well as this to glue down the wig. My hairstylist who did my hair last time told me a trick that you should like use alcohol or like alcohol. I have alcohol pads here, but like to wipe your skin. I don't know if I did that at the right time or if I was to do that before, but okay. Now that we have the alcohol done, so I'm just gonna turn the wig like this and put it on. Hold on. What? Wait. Cause where's the front of the wig? Okay. This is the middle part. Okay, I kind of see it. Guys, this is serious business. Okay. I'm nervous. I'm going to use one of these clamp things and just clamp back the hair. And I'm going to take a page out of Miss Aaliyah J's book and glue this down in sections because I don't know what I'm doing. So my goal is really to make sure that no hair is accidentally glued. I want to make sure the center part is in the center before I start gluing. That looks pretty centered to me, right? I'm nervous. I don't want to mess up. Okay, we got this. We got this. We are not going to mess up. Let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, let's do it. Hey. Okay. Okay guys, so now that the sides are kind of glued down, this is how we are looking. So the flaps by the ears are not really glued down, but that's the least important part to me. I'm just trying to make sure that the parameters are glued down, and now we're looking a little lopsided. So I unfortunately don't have a hot comb. I know that hot combs really make a huge difference in the process, so I was told, but I am going to do the bootleg version and use my hair blow dryer on high and put the comb really close and just hold it down and pray that it gives the same effect as a hot comb. So now that the wig is on, it's not looking amazing, but it's on. I am going to just touch up some glue, and then I'm just going to tie down the edges with one of these, let it sit for a while to make everything melt together. But just defrost in our case, because woo! Yeah, and then I'm gonna come back to the camera and show you guys the next step. Not too shabby! I guess I will.
Big time follow me.
Nah, let me stop. Hey, this doesn't look half bad. It doesn't. So what I'm gonna do now is a part we've all been waiting for. The baby hairs. I'm just gonna comb out some hair. That looks pretty baby hairish. So because I'm crazy, I'm just gonna go ahead and trim the hairs that are a little bit long, like sideways, like so. And I have to do these things without hesitation, because if I hesitate for 1 second, I just won't do it. So I just cut. It's kind of hard to cut at an angle for this side, but that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, this seems pretty good. Now I'm just gonna use mousse. This is a random mousse that I had in my house that is actually for curls and waves. Adds volume. We're trying to flatten things out here, but that's okay. Mousse is mousse. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some of this on my fingertips. So as we can both see, baby hairs are looking a little thick. I don't like that. Guys. What's going on here? So now that this looks somewhat down, I'm gonna curl my hair and then see how things are looking. So as you guys saw, I had no energy to go through my whole entire head with the curling wand. So I did a few pieces, and honestly, this is the final look. Actually, that's a lie. I'm gonna do like the pros do and add a little bit of foundation to the part just so that you can see it more, because you could see it a lot better now, the part. And as far as baby hairs, this is what we got. At least the wig is on. Am I right? At least we got the wig on together. I had fun doing this, so yeah. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one.